In today's topic, we are going to discuss to find percentage of a certain number. See, the first question that we have is what is more? 30% of 150 or 25% of 200. So we are going to work both of these out and find out the value and check which is greater. So we've got, this is numbered as 9A. 30% of 150. So first let's work this out. 30% is 30 by 100. Of is into 150. Cancel the zeros. Cancel the 0. 3 into 15 we get 45. Now the other thing that we have is 25% of 200. So let's find the value of 25% of 200. So 25% is written as 25 by 100. Of is into 200. Let's cancel this out. So 25 into 2 is 50. So see, we have got both the values. 30% of 150 is 45 and 25% of 200 is 50. So we can clearly see that 50 is a greater number. So we will mark this as the greater one. So 50 being the greater, we will write down 50 is more. That is 25% of 200 is more. So we'll write 25% of 200 is more. That's it. We'll move to the next question, 9B. 12% of 300. 12% of 300. So 12% is 12 by 100. Of is into 300. We'll cancel the zeros. So 12 into 3 we get 36. So we have got this value. Now we'll move to the other part of the question. That is 40% of 80. See, it's given 40% of 80. So let's find the value of 40% of 80. 40% is written as 40 by 100. Of is into 80. Cancel it out. 8 into 4, 32. So we have got both the values, and you can see if we compare, then 36 is greater. Since 36 is greater, we can say 12% of 300 is greater. So we're going to write 12% of 300 is greater. That's it. So this is how we are going to find out and compare and find out the greater value of fraction. Now we'll move on to the next question, that is find what percent is 10 of 50. That is, what is 10 of total of 50? What percentage? So in this kind of sum, what we are going to do is we will write what percent we need to find. We need to find 10 percentage of 10. Total is 50. So we have to find out percentage. Therefore, to write down or find out a value in percentage, we need to multiply the number fraction or decimal with 100. So we are doing it over here. Now cancel it. 5 divided by 5 is 1 and here 2. So 2 into 10 is 20%. Becomes my answer. Moving on to the next question. That is question 10B. What percent is 12 of 60? So let's do, this was 10A, this was 10B, 12 of 60. percentage, that is into 100. We need to find percent of 12 out of 60, so that's why 60 in the denominator. Reduce this, cancel out the zeros. 12 divided by 6 is 2, 6 divided by 6 is 1. So 2 into 10, again we have got 20% as my answer. Now we're going to move to number C. What percent of 30 is 28.5? So what percent of 30 is 28.5? Look at the language. It is said 30 of, what percent of 30 is 28.5? So we have to find out the value of 28.5, percentage of 28.5 in terms of 30. So 28.5 in the numerator and 30 in the denominator into 100, because we need to find the percentage value. In order to remove this decimal point, what we need to do is we have to insert a 0 here and we can remove this decimal point. Now cancel it out. We have done it. Now we'll see 285, whether it is possible for us to divide it by 3 or not. See, we will apply the rules of divisibility. Add the numbers. See, we have got 2 plus 8, 10 plus 5, 15. 15 we find in the 3's table, which means that 285 will be divisible by 3. So once we do it, we get 95. So my answer is 95%. Moving on to the next question. That is, what percent of 80 is 20? That is 20 out of 80. What is its percentage? So 20 total is 80, and to find out percentage, multiply by 100. So this was D. Cancel it out. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 4 divided by 100 is 25. So my answer is 25%. That's it. Moving on to the next question, that is number 11. See, what percent is 35 paise of rupees 1? So we have to find out the percentage of 35 paise out of rupees 1. Right. So in order to do this, what we need to do is, we know that rupees 1 is equal to 100 paise. Always remember, when we are going to find out percentage value, we have to make sure that both the units of the given number are same. So here you can see it's given in paisa, and here it is given in rupees. So we will convert the greater unit to the smaller unit for simplicity purpose. So rupee 1 is 100 paisa. So we need to find the value. So 35 paise out of 100 paisa, because that makes 1 rupee, into 100, because we need to find the percentage. So the zeros gets cancelled, the paise will get cancelled. What we are left with is 35, and this is actually the percentage value. So 35% becomes my answer. Moving on to 11b. See, it's given that what percent is 6 meter 50 centimeter or 52 meter? So 6 meter 50 centimeter or 52 meter of 52 meter. We need to find out the percentage, right? So in order to do this, again you can see here we have got meter and centimeter, and here we have got only meter. So what we can do is convert everything into one unit. For simplicity purpose, I'm going to convert the whole thing in centimeter, because meter is a greater unit. So we know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So therefore 6 meter 50 centimeter will be, of course, 6 into 100 plus 50 centimeter goes as it is, so it has no problem. So this becomes 600 plus 50, this is within bracket, centimeter. So this comes down to 650 centimeter. Similarly, 52 meter will be written as 52 meter is equal to 52 into 100 centimeter, which is equal to 5200 centimeter. So now we have got both of this in centimeter, 650 and 5200 centimeter. Now we are going to find the percentage. This was B actually. So percentage 650 by 5200, both are in centimeter, so eventually it will get cancelled, and we have to find the percentage, so that's why into 100. So now this will get cancelled, 52, the zeros and the zeros. Now we will see if it's possible for us to divide it any further. 52 will get divided and we get 26. 650 divided by 2, we get 325. Now it's not possible for us to cancel it any more, so let's do it. Find out the percentage. So simply divide 325 by 26, so it is 26, 65, so 26 into 2, we get 52, 31. So this comes to 26, 13 by 12%. Percentage sign must be there. Please remember that. The representation will be 12.5, right? So this is the quotient and this is the rest part. So it is 12, 13 by 26. If we cancel 13, divided by 13 is 1 and 13 divided by 26 is 2. So this comes to 12.5% simply. Moving on to the next question, 11C. What percent is 45 minutes of 1 hour? So it is 45 minutes of 1 hour. Again, in this question as well, we can see that one unit is in minute, another is hour. So as I told you previously that we are going to convert it into the same unit. So hour being the bigger unit, we will convert this hour into minutes. So 1 hour is 60 minutes. So we are going to replace this hour with minutes. So 45 minutes by 60 minutes, because we need to find it out in terms of an hour, that is 60 minutes, into 100. Minutes will get cancelled, 0 will get cancelled. Now we can divide 45 with 3. 45 divided by 3 we get 15. 6 divided by 3 we get 2. 2 divided by 10 we get 5. So now we have got 15 and 5. So 15 into 5 is 75. So my answer becomes 75%. That is it. Moving on to the next question. Number 11D. What percent is 1 kg 250 gram of 6 kg 250 gram? So it is 1 kg 250 gram in terms of 6 kg 250 gram, right? So again we have got mixed units, So let's convert this into a single unit. Kg being the bigger unit, we will convert kg into gram. So 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. We know. So here we can write 1 kg 250 gram. Therefore will be, of course, 1 kg will be 1000 gram plus 250 gram. So it comes to 1250 gram. Similarly, 6 kg 250 gram will be 6 into 1000, that is 6000 plus 250 gram. So 6250 gram. Once we have converted both into a common unit, now we are going to find the percentage. So this is 1250, that is 1 kg 250 gram, and divided by 6250 gram into 100 in order to find the percentage. The gram gets cancelled, the zeros gets cancelled. Now we have got 125 and we have got 625. Both will get divided by 125. Divided by 125 is 1. 625 divided by 125 is 5. 5 divided by 100 is 20. So my answer becomes 20%. That is it. Moving on to the next question. Number E, the last one. What percent is 3 liter 200 ml of 12 liter 800 ml? So it is 3 liter 200 ml. 3 liter 200 ml of 12 liter 800 ml. 12 liter 800 ml. We know again it's a mixture of different units, liter and ml. So we will convert liter being the bigger unit to the smaller unit. 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. Therefore, we can say that 3 liter 200 ml will be 3 into 1000, 3000 plus 200. That is 3200 ml. On the other hand, 12 liter 800 ml will be written as 12 into 100, that is 1200. 12 into 1000 it is. So 12,800 ml. Now as we have converted both into a common unit, we'll find the percentage, that is 3200 divided by 12800 into 100. Cancel the zeros. Now we've got 32 and 128. Let's try and divide the numbers and check. 128 divided by 32 we get 4. 4 divided by 100 divided by 4 we get 25. So my answer is 25%. That's it.